Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are going to take a close and realistic look at one of the most important naval assets of the Philippine Navy, the BRP Antonio Luna with hull number FF-151. This vessel is a modern guided missile frigate, a symbol of the continuing modernization program of the Philippines and a mark of how the country is strengthening its maritime defense. Our discussion today will focus on technical facts, historical context, operational roles, and finally, the design features that make this warship a valuable part of the fleet. The BRP Antonio Luna is the second of the Jose Rizal class frigates built by Hyundai Heavy Industries in South Korea for the Philippine Navy. Her sister ship is the BRP Jose Rizal, which was commissioned earlier. Antonio Luna was launched in November 2019 and formally commissioned into service in March 2021. She was named after General Antonio Luna, a hero of the Philippine Revolution who was remembered for his discipline, strategic mind, and dedication to national defense. Naming a modern frigate after him carries symbolic value, linking the courage of the past with the strength of the present. In terms of classification, Antonio Luna is a multi-role guided missile frigate. This means she is designed not just for surface warfare, but also for anti-submarine and anti-air operations. The ship represents the most modern warfighting capability that the Philippine Navy has today. She was designed under the Frigate Acquisition Project, which aimed to replace older vessels and provide the Navy with modern platforms that can keep pace with regional maritime developments. The ship has a displacement of about 2,600 tons at full load. She is approximately 107 meters long and 14 meters wide, with a draft of about 4 meters. Her size allows her to balance speed, endurance, and versatility. She is powered by a combined diesel and diesel propulsion system, commonly called CODAD. With this arrangement, Antonio Luna can reach speeds of around 25 knots, which is sufficient for escort and patrol duties. The ship also has an endurance of about 4,500 nautical miles at a cruising speed of 15 knots, making her capable of extended deployments in Philippine waters and beyond. The armament of the frigate is where her capabilities really stand out. On the forward deck, she is fitted with a 76mm Otto Melara Super Rapid main gun. This weapon is versatile enough to be used against surface targets, air threats, and even shore bombardment if necessary. She also carries secondary guns such as two 30mm guns and heavy machine guns for close-in defense. But the most significant features are her missile systems. Antonio Luna is equipped with surface-to-surface missiles and has provisions for surface-to-air missile systems, which dramatically improve her reach and deterrent capability. Additionally, the ship carries torpedo launchers, giving her an anti-submarine warfare role. An important part of her design is the combat management system, which integrates radar, sonar, and weapons into a single command platform. This allows the ship's crew to detect threats early, evaluate them, and respond quickly. The radar and electronic systems on board provide 3D surveillance and target tracking, which is crucial in modern naval combat environments. The ship also carries countermeasures such as chaff and decoys to protect against incoming missiles. From an operational perspective, the BRP Antonio Luna plays a multi-dimensional role. She can be deployed for territorial defense, escort operations, humanitarian assistance, disaster response, and maritime patrol. The waters of the Philippines are vast, covering the West Philippine Sea, the Philippine Sea, and surrounding international sea lanes. A ship like Antonio Luna helps the Navy establish presence, provide deterrence, and safeguard national interests. In humanitarian and non-combat missions, the frigate can also be valuable. Her size and facilities allow her to deliver aid, support evacuation, and coordinate operations during natural disasters. The Philippines, being prone to typhoons and earthquakes, often requires its armed forces to provide assistance during emergencies. A modern frigate with advanced communications can serve as a command platform in such scenarios. When compared to older ships of the Philippine Navy, Antonio Luna is a significant step forward. For many decades, the Navy relied on World War II-era destroyer escorts and corvettes donated by allies. While those ships served with dedication, they were outdated and limited. With Antonio Luna, the Philippines now has a vessel that can match regional navies in terms of sensors, weapons, and survivability. This also contributes to better training for sailors, who now have access to modern systems that are standard in today's maritime environment. The commissioning of the ship was a proud moment for the Navy and the Filipino people. It demonstrated that the modernization program is not just a vision but an actual achievement. It also showed that international partnerships, such as the one between the Philippines and South Korea, can produce tangible benefits for security and defense. Hyundai Heavy Industries successfully delivered a vessel that meets the requirements of the Philippine Navy while keeping costs within the allocated budget. The BRP Antonio Luna has also participated in naval exercises. These include joint activities with allies and regional partners, where interoperability is tested and strengthened. Such exercises are important, not only to improve the skills of the crew but also to send a message of cooperation and preparedness. By sailing alongside modern ships from other countries, Antonio Luna demonstrates that the Philippines is committed to contributing to regional security. Looking into the future, the ship may receive upgrades. Modern warships are built with the possibility of fitted for but not with, meaning that while the platform can host certain weapons or systems, they may be installed later depending on funding. Antonio Luna has the space and design allowance for vertical launch systems, which could significantly increase her missile capacity. If such upgrades are pursued, the Philippine Navy would further enhance its defensive and offensive reach. Now, let us talk about one of the most interesting aspects of the ship, the one that is often not highlighted in public discussions: the interior and crew accommodations. Interior design. The inside of the BRP Antonio Luna was designed with both functionality and comfort in mind. Unlike the older warships that were acquired secondhand, Antonio Luna offers a modern living environment for her sailors. The crew has access to air-conditioned quarters, mess halls, and proper sleeping arrangements. The spaces are designed to reduce fatigue during long deployments and to ensure that sailors can perform at their best. The bridge and operations rooms are equipped with advanced digital displays and consoles, creating a professional environment where officers can monitor radar feeds, sonar data, and communication networks in real time. The layout of these control centers follows ergonomic standards, allowing operators to act quickly without confusion. The ship also has facilities for training and planning, including briefing rooms equipped with multimedia systems. This is crucial for mission preparation, coordination, and debriefing after operations. Living quarters are divided into officer cabins and enlisted crew areas, with attention to privacy and hygiene. There are proper bathroom facilities, laundry areas, and recreational spaces. While still military in nature, these accommodations reflect the Navy's effort to provide decent conditions to its personnel, which contributes to morale and readiness. The galley or kitchen area is designed to serve meals efficiently to the crew. Food storage and preparation facilities are built with naval standards, ensuring that nutrition is maintained during extended missions at sea. The medical bay is another important feature, allowing basic healthcare and emergency treatment on board. In summary, the BRP Antonio Luna is not just a weapon platform, it is also a home and workplace for the men and women of the Philippine Navy. Her interior design reflects a balance between combat readiness and human needs, a factor that ensures operational effectiveness over time.